Hey guys, welcome to The Way to a Full House. This is my new YouTube program, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And sorry about not updating for so long, and you might be wondering like, who the heck is this guy? He's not bald. That's why my hair is growing, and I wasn't bald to begin with, but I actually got hair. So it's almost the length that I can start tying my hair, but almost there. So anyway, I decided to start this program because my master, Kanaria Eiraku, is coming all the way to New Zealand on 3rd of March. Whoa! That's really exciting. And he is teaching Rakugo on 4th of March. And also he is performing Rakugo on 5th of March, which is Thursday. And I'll be assisting him in both gigs. And now, performance is going to be Oyakokai, which is Oyakokai means master and disciple performance. That means I have to fill the house. It's my obligation, really. But so only full house is allowed. That's the goal I set. So that means I need your help. Whenever I show up on a YouTube, I'm kind of begging for something. Like, when I grow up, I don't know. I'm not gonna grow up. I'm not sure. But hey, to make this more interesting, I have decided that you can suggest some kind of challenge I can do if we reach full house on the 5th of March, like running a full marathon or something. Or ultra marathon. That's beyond a full marathon. Yeah, if you want to torture me, you can do that, but you have to purchase a ticket. Please buy me. No, buy me. No, I don't. You don't buy me. Oh, I don't know what I'm talking about. But buy ticket. Don't buy me. I don't know what I'm talking about, right? So. Getting weird, and that's the way it is. So you can suggest something like that, or make me do bungee jumping, or something like that, bungee jumping off the harbor bridge, or something like that. Yeah, or sky tower. This kind of tandem thing. You can jump off with a string attached to me, not like without. So you can suggest something like something legal. Nothing illegal, and something that doesn't involve nudity, like too much nudity. A little bit is okay. I don't know. I'm not sure. And something that doesn't affect my relationship with my family and stuff. Nothing too stupid, but something challenging. That's what I mean. So, great. Hope to see you there. I'm gonna keep updating this and drum up the sales of the ticket. That's what I have to do as a performer. So, I'm gonna next time I'm gonna broadcast how many tickets we have sold so far, etc. I'm gonna update and hope to see you there. And the links to the ticketing page will be below. And I don't know how to attach that fancy, clickable screen thing. I can't do that, so it's below details section, I think. So, thank you so much, and hope to see you there. And you have a lovely day, everybody. Bye bye.